let's say, ginapasolve si mo ang ini nga system of equation. X plus y plus z equals 2. 2x plus y plus 3z equals 9. Kag x minus 3y plus z equals 10. So, to get the values of x, y, z, we have already established or talked about elimination, ang isa. And another is substitution, diba? But, aside from these two, you can also use Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule if makahimo kita matrix out of this system of equations. So, paano na siya himuan matrix? You have to remember this first, okay? So, to get the value of x, you need to find the determinant given the solutions. Ibutang mo siya sa column x over the determinant of the equations. Meanwhile, y is going to be the determinant in terms of y. Pakita ko lang karon kung paano. Over the determinant of the equations over and z, which is the determinant in terms of z over the determinant of the equation. So, ang una natin nga i-plus star would be the d, the determinant of the equations. So, may mo kita sang matrix. Ang himuon ta with regards to the matrix is we align all the coefficients of each of the terms. So, for example, x, y, kag z. Ang coefficients ng x is 1, ang iya ka y is 1, ang z, 1 man. Sa second naman ng equation, so the coefficient for x is 2, this one 1 sa y, 3 sa z. Lastly, I have 1, negative 3, and another 1 para sa last nga equation. So, at this point, ang ano lang danay ha, by pa ang solusyon nga 2, 9, and 10. We are currently looking for the determinant d. So, ang ginihimo natin would be to use this straight line nga vertical to indicate we are currently looking for the determinant. Gibutang ko the broken line. And then, I will copy the first two columns. 1, 2, 1, and then 1, 1, negative 3, and then enclose it with another vertical line. Okay. After that, mangita na ta determinant. So, how do we do this? What you do is multiply all of these downward. Multiply. So, ni-add mo na sila tanan. So, ang guaya sina equals 1 times 1 times 1 is just 1 plus 3 times 1 kag 1 is 3 plus 2 times 1 times negative 3. Oops, dapat negative 6. Okay, hopefully nakita nyo. Let's try another one here. So, example, maminus na ta, but we are going to subtract the product of all of these moving upward. So, that's 1 times 1 times 1. Diba that's equal to 1. Plus, upward naman. So, negative 3 times 3 times 1 is negative 9. So, let me just erase this. It's supposed to be negative 9. And then, another 1 times 2 is 2 times 1 is positive 2 liwat. So, plus 2. Okay. And then, that's equal to 1 plus 3 is 4 minus 6. So, that's negative 2. So, negative 9 plus 2 is negative 7. Plus 1 is negative 6. Doesn't kay negative, so may negative kapag ide. That's positive 6. And therefore, our D is equal to positive 4. Okay, that's what we are going to substitute down here. So, isubstitute ko na nga dahan na. So, let me erase this. Erase. And then, that's going to be 4, 4, 4. So, important, kaunahon mo yung suma. And then, next, let me just erase everything. Ma-build naman kita matrix for dx. So, the determinant in terms of x is, okay, remember nyo, di ba, ari di ang column, bala nga ginabutang coefficient sang x. Supposedly, that's 1, 2, and 1. Instead of doing that, write the solutions 2, 9, and 10. Gets? Tani. Dason, ang para sa y, so, 1, 1, negative 3. Dason, 1, 3 kag 1. Dason, dotted line, copy the first two columns, 2, 9, 10, 1, 1, negative 3, and then, equals. So, tanan nga downward, 2 times 1 times 1 is equal to 2. Dason, plus 1 times 3 is 3 times 10, 30. 30. Dason, minus ni kay kita ko siya nga. 9 times 1 is just 9 times negative 3, 9, 18, 27. So, minus 27. So, karon lang na siya total. Minus. Ito na naman nga upward. 10 times 1 times 1 is just 10. Dason, minus. Kaya nakita ko may minus diyo. Nga minus 3 times 3, that's negative 9 times 2, that's negative 18. Okay, plus, ayaw, 9 times 1 times 1 is just 9. So, i-add na siya tanan. 30 minus 27 is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Negative 18 plus 9 is negative 9. 10 minus 9 is just 1. So, minus 1, diba? So, dx is equal to 4. And then, and then, I can just erase this, and then, islan ko siya equal to 4. I can see now that x is equal to 4 over 4 or 1. Ayun, may solusyon na ta 4x. So, what is the value of x? 1. Amo na siya. Sunod. Let's try to solve dy. So, same Japon, but focus naman kamo di nga column, oh. So, the coefficients of x, ibalik ta siya ha. 1, 2 kag 1 to originally. Subong, ang islanta naman ang column sang y. 2, 9, 10. Ang column sang z, it's 1, 3, 1. Dotted line. Copy the first two columns, 1 to 1, 2, 9, 10. Equals. Multiply, tanan nga downward. 1 times 9 times 1 is just 9. Plus 2 times 3, 6 times 1 is positive 6. Plus 1 times 2 is 2 times 10, 20. 20. Minus. Okay. Upward. So, 1 times 9 times 1 is just 9. And then, 10 times 3 times 1 is 30. Plus 30. And then, I can see 1 times 2 times 2, that's 4. Plus 4. So, isipon tabi. 26 plus 9 is 35. 39 plus 4 is 43. So, 35 minus 43 should give us negative 8, no? Negative 8. So, let me just change dy here into negative 8. And therefore, y is equal to negative 8 over 4 or negative 2. May solusyon na to for y. So, last na lang is dz. So, islan ta ni dz equal. So, ibalik ta ang coefficients ng x nga 1, 2, 1. Ang iya ka y nga 1, 1, negative 3. Ari, ang aton islan, islan ta na siya, 2, 9, 10. And then, dotted line, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, negative 3. Okay, equals. Tangan nga downward, 1 times 1 times 10 is 10. Plus, 1 times 9 times 1 is 9. Minus, kay, kita ko nga, 2 times 2 is 4, times negative 3 is 12, negative 12. Oops. 12 minus, tanan mga upward, 1 times 1 times 2 is just 2. Dasan kita ko may minus. That's negative 3 times 9, 9, 18, 27 times 1, so negative 27. And then 10 times 2 times 1, that's 20. Plus 20. Okay, so 19 minus 12 is 7. Minus negative 27 plus 20 is negative 7. 2 minus 7 is negative 5. Pero since naka-minus kapag ide, so that's going to be plus 5. And therefore, dz is equal to 12. And then, islan ko lang ni siya, oh. I'll write here 12. And I can see that the solution for z is 12 over 4 or 3. And therefore, if you're looking for the values of x, y, and z, given these three equations, you can use elimination, substitution, or Cramer's rule for a 3 by 3 matrix. And the solutions are x equals 1, y equals negative 2, and z equals 3. That's it.